Hello guys, today we'll talk about new fold-in markets made by Google with name Google Pixel Fold. Before begin, don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to receive all video. Number 1, the body. The body here come with length 158.7 millimeter, width 139.7 millimeter, thickness 5.8 millimeter, and its weight 283 gram. Number 2, the screen. The screen type here is foldable OLED, and its type very good with size 7.6 inches, 5.6 inches outer display, come with Protect Glass, and its type Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, and come with refresh rate 120 Hz. Number 3, the processor. The processor here is Google Tensor G2 5 nanometer, almost is equal with the processor Snapdragon 888. It almost means the same settings for games. Number for the camera, there are 3 camera in the back. The first camera here is wide 48 megapixel, come with lens slot f1.7. Second camera here 10.8 megapixel telephoto, come with lens slot 3.1. The third camera 10.8 megapixel, also ultra wide, come with lens slot 2.2. Support LED flash HDR, panorama, and record video 4K 30, 60 FPS or 1080 to 240 frames per second, but the front camera 8 megapixel wide, come with lens slot 2, record video 4K 30, 60 FPS, 1080 to 60 frames per second only. Number 5, the battery. The battery here 4821 mAh here. I don't know why 4821, not a 4820 or 5000, but the battery is good and its USB is Type-C 3.1. Number 6, the price. The price of Google Pixel Fold phone is $1,799, considered as the most expensive phone in 2023, more expensive than flagships. Thank you to watch to the end of the video. Don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.